Hey streamers, welcome to the ultimate esports experience powered by the Hello WpStream theme. This is the gaming demo, a visually striking theme designed for gamers, streamers, and esports teams who want to dominate the digital arena. Built with Elementor, you have full creative control, can use powerful widgets to design your homepage, create match lineups, and highlight your team stats and embed video streams, all with no coding required. With WpStream, you can broadcast your matches live, showcase replays, or host events, and even sell your events directly from your WordPress site. So right now I'm showing you this particular section that we've created with Elementor, where you can showcase bundles, free events, paid events, products, and you can also filter them based on the type of game they are. So whether it's FPS, a horror game, sports game, and also by the device you are playing on. So whether it's a PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Android, and things like that. Now, the next thing I'm showing you is this section right here of categories like sports, adventure, indie, horror, and right under the title of this, you'll find the number of items that are in this section. So for example, in the sports section, there is 1 blog post on this category. There are 4 video on demand or replays and 3 live channels. So all of these are related to the sports category. And if you hover over a video item or a live item, they have a preview video as well. So you can add a preview video and you can also add a trailer. So before a live stream, you can have your viewers watch a trailer. So I'm showing you the featured live events. So there are different featured items. So either it's a video, a live channel, or a blog post or article. So this is if you want to highlight the most important items on your site and write a bit about them. Here I'm showing you picture-in-picture and showing you that you can move around while still not missing the live stream or your video on demand. Now let's go back and see what else you have when you install your gaming demo. So for instance, the best games of the year. So we have all these videos or live streams over here. And there's also a section on the blog posts or articles regarding or related to gaming. On the left-hand side, we have a few categories, so RPG, adventure, simulation, action, and once again, under these, you'll find different types of items, whether they're blog posts, free on demand, or live streams. There's also a search bar, of course, you can't do without a search bar, where you can look through everything on the site related to that particular keyword. Now, let me show you how a live stream or a live channel looks like. So this is the live stream. If you scroll down, you'll see that there are a bunch of views that you can have. You can leave a comment, like, dislike, you can share, and you can even add it to the watch later list where you will find it under your account. Here you'll have the description, categories, you can add tags, images, leave a comment. And we don't currently have the chat enabled, but you can enable it by going to the customize section, live channel settings, and here you'll have different options to show or not show. For example, the sidebar over here, the comment section, similar streams, more from this broadcaster, past broadcasts, trending streams, and things like that. Now, like I said, I don't have the chat enabled, but you can enable it from here. And that's basically it. After you publish it, you can start chatting away. Your viewers will chat with you. You can respond in real time if you're streaming and things like that. So that's a pretty important feature to have on a live streaming site. Now, the third feature that is the most interesting is the start streaming feature. So your regular users can start streaming on your website, of course, if you allow this from your customized section. I've also mentioned this a minute ago. I'll be creating a new video on the types of things that you can do from the customized section and how to edit your esports site. So this is your viewers channel, for example, or your users channel. All they have to do is turn it on after they've created it and basically go live. And they can also set up a paid channel or a free channel. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye!